In this video, I'll show you how you can create an iOS application using AI. If you haven't already done so, download Xcode for free on the Mac App Store. Create a new project and select iOS and App. Go through the steps to creating a new app by giving it a name, team, organization identifier, and make sure the language is set to Swift. Then save it to your computer. Next, we need to download a free program called Cursor AI. This tool will help write all the code. Once that's installed, click Open Folder and click your Xcode project folder saved on your computer. Next, click Command, Shift and I to open the prompt window. We will need to add some documentation so the AI knows how to write the code for our app. So type @ and click Docs and add a new doc. Find Apple Swift framework page and their UI designs, do's and don'ts. We will leave a link to these pages in the description for you. Copy the link to add them into Cursor AI. Paste the link into here, click enter and give it a name like Apple Swift and Apple Design Tips. Once you've added both documentations, make sure to add codebase. This will allow Cursor to operate through your Xcode files. Now simply, just give Cursor AI some prompts. Here is an example. I would like to make an iOS application. I want to build a simple to-do list where users can enter things to do, tick them off when they are complete, and also remove them. Can you use @Apple Design Tips, which links to the UI design do's and don'ts which we copied earlier, to create a good design that's aesthetically pleasing, easy to navigate, and makes the app look clean. Once you're happy, click enter and let Cursor AI do the work. Once it's done all the code, make sure to click the small blue button which says Apply. Then head over to Xcode and run the project. The simulator will open and your new app will launch. As you can see, we have exactly what we told the AI to make. Now let's make some edits. Going back to Cursor, let's tell it to make the theme dark. Let it run and click Apply when it's done. Let's run the app again, and Cursor has changed the theme colour. This is of course an example, but you can build very technical applications by simply prompting Cursor AI. Have a go and see what you can build. Please leave a like if this video has helped you, and subscribe for more videos like this.